So we've got the reputation stickers that our clients can stick onto the A-frame or the windows. Somewhere it has to be prominent, where there's a lot of foot traffic or car traffic. Because I guess as part of our job at 2080 Solutions to help our client build their online reputation. And online reputation equates to, I guess, de-risking engagement from their patients to them. So, for example, this is psychology. When 50 people say this vendor is good, they must be pretty good at what they do. So the idea was that what if we were to take that online reputation and pull it down into the offline, the real world. So obviously we're leveraging off Google's branding, the Google My Business, and then put our client's name, what's their star reviews, and then how many reviews they had at that particular time. Right? And this actually gives them an incentive to say, hey, you know what? Right now on the 27th of March, we got 8 reviews. And I want to actually send out these review stickers to our clients every 6 months or so to give them an incentive to say, hey, you know what? 6 months later, we've now reached 25 reviews, right? And we're still at 4.8 or something like that. It's okay to get negative reviews, but make sure you're above the 4.5 mark. Yeah, and then we can consistently update the stickers and keep sending it out to them. So that way, when the foot traffic walk past, you go, you know what? I've been thinking about going to see a dentist for a while, and this guy seems pretty good. I'm going to give him a shot. That's the idea. So version 2.0 is this part, which is the sticker where the sticky front is in the front. So they can actually stick this inside the window, and therefore doesn't have any, they don't have the risk of people sabotaging and ripping out their stickers. Looks like this. So that's the sticky front. Yeah.